Hey guys, good morning. Now we are going to check out in this hotel apartment. I will show you around first before we go to check out. It's already 9 o'clock. So basically this is the view outside that you're going to see. Yeah, today is like this. It's a foggy. In the living room, there is this TV and all the information on that book. These are all my things. I am going to put all this in this small bag. Yeah, it's complete with everything. There are utensils and kitchen equipment, cooking equipment all around the kitchen. Yeah, there is oven. There is even a dishwasher. Yeah, dishwasher. Refrigerator, washing machine, dryer, sink. Yeah, you've seen that. And this is the first bedroom. There are two bed, single bed, two single bed, and there's a mirror here, a wardrobe. It's a mirror. Yep. And this is the toilet. I used this already. Yeah, I put that there. Yeah. Can see toilet. Yeah, I am thinking about taking this, but I don't want. Yeah. Okay, there is a shower, bathtub. This is where I sleep. This is what I use. Yeah. You know, before, always when I'm leaving the hotel, I always disarrange the setting so that they will clean. And again, there is a terrace here. Actually, you can come here out and see the view. You see, it's a little noisy here because of the cars. Yeah, that parliament area is nice. That is where I went yesterday. This is another toilet. But look, can you hear the sound? Looks like someone is scratching. Yeah, so this is another toilet. Look at this. I didn't use this. Yeah. It's not the best clean, but it's clean. Yeah, this building has different facilities downstairs. There's swimming pool, but it's closed because it's very cold. They actually put some layer there. Yeah, swimming pool, gym, squash court, tennis court, and yeah. Okay, that's it, mate. I am going to pack this and we're going back to Sydney and then Nelson Bay. Hey, I almost finished my bag, and actually now the fog is gone and we can see that this is the view here. Nice. So basically coming from that side, so coming from downstairs, you walk all the way through that side and you will end up in the bridge. There is a bridge on that side that will go straight to the, what's that, parliamentary. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I am going back now to Sydney and then Nelson Bay. Actually, I'm going back to Nelson Bay. Yeah, at the moment we are walking here. I don't know the name of the place, but this is near to the National Museum here in Canberra. Yeah. So she noticed most of the trees doesn't have any leaves because it's winter. And we are now heading to Novotel. Novotel is the, a hotel, and that is also the same place where you're going to see the bus terminal of the Moray bus going to Sydney. Look at this caravan, looks big and long. According to Google Map, it's around 12 minutes to get there by walk. this is the Novotel, and we're going to check if we can book a trip going to Sydney this time. I checked online and it was just like a 3 or 5 seat left for the 11 o'clock trip going to Sydney. Maybe still the same, so we're going to check that. If not, we'll be leaving this place by 12 o'clock and we'll be reaching Sydney by 4 o'clock, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 reaching. Yeah, I hope to catch a bus going to Nelson Bay by 7, 8, 9, 10, and then how come limited time, man? This is the tramway that they are doing now. I didn't notice any tram or train in Canberra. Maybe just the train that connects to Sydney, that's the only one, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, this is the other bus that travels to Sydney, Greyhound. This is where I get down 2 days ago. Yeah, so I just booked a trip there. Yeah, $46. And now I'm going to eat here, and a coffee, breakfast, $16 this one. Yeah, for sure they don't have rice. Yeah, they just arrived and we are leaving. Yeah, we are back in Sydney. We are back in Sydney. Yeah, why it smells like smoke? Where is that? Yeah, if you see this is the Railway Square, YHA. I've shown that to you before. Yeah, the time now is 2:30. I actually need to go back to Nelson Bay, because if not, I mean to Newcastle, because if not, I will not be able to catch a bus going to Nelson Bay, because you know the last bus going to Nelson Bay is maybe 7 o'clock, and after that there's no more, and I will needed to take a taxi, which is expensive. Yeah, I still wanted to stay a little bit more here in Sydney, but no chance, man. Yeah. Got this, not in 7-Eleven, not $1. This is I think $5, and there's a sausage. I forgot how much is the price, and I'm going to eat this in the train. Yeah, the train is leaving. Will be leaving in maybe 5 minutes. Yeah. We arrived in Hamilton Station. It was $7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, they deduct around $6-7. Yeah, according to Google Map, the next bus going to Nelson Bay is will be leaving by 7 o'clock. The time now is 5 o'clock. I mean 5, no, almost 6. Yeah, so I still have 1 hour to wait for that bus, so we're going to eat somewhere here, or maybe there, somewhere here, because there are more options in this side. Yeah, at the moment I'm here in one Indian restaurant. Yeah, they are busy. Yeah, I am having this buttered chicken. Yeah, this is the one that I like among the Indian food. I have been eating this when I was in Dubai, in our cafeteria. They always do this. Nice. This restaurant is busy. Yeah, they have a Canberra style of restaurant where you just need to point what you like, and they will put it in the plate and ready to go, ready to eat. Yeah, we have the same system in the Philippines. We called it carinderia. The same, you just point and they will give you the food. Nice. You know, when I was living in Sydney, like after duty, there is one Indian restaurant near to my place, and yeah, me and Emil and Carmel, we pass by there and we get some Indian food. The favorite is always that one, the buttered chicken, and then the green color, I forgot the name, but yeah, this green color food, I don't know. So if you happen to be here in Hamilton area, you can go to that Indian restaurant. The name is Raj Indian restaurant. Nice. They have a wide variety, I mean different choices of Indian food. If I'm not mistaken, those are the most popular Indian food. That's what they have. I didn't able to show you because there's a lot of people in front of the food, so I am shy to take a video.